Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy with Blondie of Mexico. Today we are down here with the shrimp ladies down in Centro in Mazatlan, Mexico, where we are going to pick up a kilo of shrimp and then we are going to go take it over to a restaurant where they're going to clean it, devein it, and everything for a cheap price for us to eat.
Hi, Evie.
The shrimp ladies get their shrimp fresh from the boat, but make sure you ask if it's farm raised or if it's ocean shrimp. They even have dried shrimp down here. When you come down here to buy shrimp, we have many options to choose from for vendors. Here seems to be the busiest one, so I think that's what we're going to choose because everybody else is picking this one, so I think this is where we need to buy our shrimp. If you're intimidated about coming down here because you don't speak the language, this is Jasmine, and she speaks English.
Mira, este para el ceviche. This is like for ceviche, como empanizado, aguachile también. Eso se hace con pepino. Sí, claro. Sí, aguachile y eso también puede ser para empanizado.
Empanizado, empanizado.
Like for a dish, like a breaded shrimp. Como camarón en caldo cocido, así nada. O también puede ser empanizado. Te paso tu llanera aquí con garlic shrimp.
A ver, ¿Perito llenera aquí o ya?
So we're gonna get this one then, right? Yeah, to get it cooked.
Llenera, señorita.
Okay.
Llenera, okay.
How much?
And they'll feed it.
Alright guys, if you're gonna come down here and get shrimp and you want it cleaned and deveined for you and everything, this is actually the palapa that you want to come to. Because this vendor will clean the shrimp for you at no extra charge. When we asked some of the other vendors, they told us they don't. Alright, this is where we're going to go. Have our shrimp cooked and cleaned for us that we just bought. There's our shrimp. This place is owned by the same place that we just bought the shrimp from. It's called La Palapa.
A la diabla, un poco de agua.
I'm good with anything. Alright, here we go. We got the breaded shrimp, the Diablo shrimp, the garlic shrimp. We've got our sides right here. And it comes with some salsas.
Ooh, there's a mango salsa.
Provecho. So this place across the street looks like it's about half the price of what we paid at our place. So maybe this will be a place we check out next time. Okay guys, that's a wrap for the shrimp ladies. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed showing it to you.